Welcome my people, Dancehall Skilla here again. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. But people, I'm going to start off with a sad topic, and I mean a really sad topic, my people. Now, I got information that a man had been held and placed in police custody in relation to the death of a 9-year-old girl in Hanover, Jamaica. According to more information that I got, allegedly, it is said that the man is believed to be a suspect, and it is said that the man had been placed in police protective custody. It is said that police say that the move is to keep the man safe because of heated tempers in a community in Hanover, Jamaica. It is believed that the death of the child angered a certain amount of residents within the community, viewers and subscribers. It is said that the man who had been held by the police is said to be in his 40s, early 40s, a big man. According to more information that I got, it is said that on Wednesday, the child headed to school, and at some point, the mother of the child realized that the child did not return to her at a certain time that the mother would expect the child to come from school. So it is said that the mother became worried, and a report had been made to the police about the situation, and at some point the body of the child was found. It is believed that the child had been raped, and it is also believed that the child had been strangled to death. I also got the understanding that there's an allegation and an unconfirmed information pertaining to the mother of the child and the man who had been held by the police. I also got the understanding that assumptions and allegations had been made about the whole situation. And in my point of view, I really and truly hope that whosoever is responsible for what happened to that child be brought to justice. This is really and truly a horrible situation, the people. Really sad and really a horrible situation. I hope that you stay tuned with Dancehall Skilla, just in case if I get more valuable information about this whole situation. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, before I move on to our video, viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a look at this picture right here. Yes, this picture right here. I want you to look at this picture and tell me, how do you think a vehicle end up in such a position, viewers and subscribers? Yes, the video shows a pole and wires, viewers and subscribers, and I can't help but wonder how that bike end up in such a position. I mean, vehicle I should say, viewers and subscribers. I mean, how did that vehicle end up in such a position? My people, leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video to let me know what you think, alright? I'm going to move on to the video. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that someone brought to my attention. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between at least two persons. The video shows a group of persons playing a type of game. It is believed that they were gambling. And one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. I got the understanding that comments have been made on social media about a person who you can hear talking loud in the video and saying some harsh words in the video as well. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want you to look and listen to this video and tell me what you think. You can tell me what you think about the confrontation that happened between at least two persons who you can see and hear in this video. You can tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes down to the confrontation, viewers and subscribers. And I would like you to give me your opinion about gambling. See? Now, before I present this video to you, I want you to please bear in mind that you can hear a lot of harsh language in this video. And you can also hear at least one person talking loud in this video. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Time till they're dead. Yeah, man. And let me tell you tomorrow, yes, sir. Yeah, man. Come to Curl. You bet, yeah. Who the Curl? Who the Curl? Oh, you Curl. You're Curl. Boy, you're Curl. You're Curl. Boy. And let me tell you, you're Curl. Cause all in the room. I just, here you one of them because I give. Here you one. You're bad man now. Huna beta mura un tante non dead. Me beta you sure. Me beta me. Me beta me. E chi me I'm 6 years old and me live pan. How what you want? What's up yourself? I'm gonna suck your
Yeah, man.
your mother. Where they gone? What's where they gone?
Suck for you.
Me not blame you for what's up. Where they gone?
I heat it, it's like
Suck for
a
them. Go suck your
heat. Heated the argument I
Yeah, man, money all night.
What's up your I'm going in on the table that you your bad man.
Come on and thank you.
What's up? Suck your dead mama.
Yeah.
Go yeah. Thank you. What a junker.
Yes, man.
Miss Hero. What's junker?
Eki, me couldn't have and left him, man. I didn't tell you no John.
How let me tell you? What's on the way? How they want me to come back to come and lose the money? How me can't take one to one?
Man,
How me can't take one to one?
you upset my people.
Yeah, take it up.
Me not take up no more. Me been here and done that. Me been here and done that. Boy. You're really junker.
Yeah, man.
Can't wait till me and me ride me can't out all boat. All boat me can't out.
Teeth.
Never charge you no. Never charge you no.
I will carry that sport.
I never charge you. I never charge you.
Brother, I can't look like I was laughing
How are
or
you?
something.
Who are you?
When
are we? On the go, man. And let me tell you, go on the go. Na bad man na. Quand on a pris, mais à te voir que one man a pris. Ana ia pris. You see as one thing like. Me that one you hear me that. Na hear me. Na hear me. No, me a general. 6 years old me live pan. You know not. I'm in a front man.
You have 6 years, I'm my work that.
Who want that? Who want that?
That me, I can't work.
What's
And nice that
Junker?
nice number.
Junker?
That is number.
Junker? You
Yo!
are in Junker?
Yeah!
You are in Junker? You are in
Yeah.
Junker? Bless him. Bless him. You're dead mama.
We are sending our church.
You're mama, man. On a bad man.
So yo,
I'm going to general boat here.
Yeah!
They come kill me now. I say me not dead. Go and go man.
Yeah!
Good.
You're bad man now. You're full of idiots.
Yeah.
You're full of idiots. You're full of idiots. You're full of idiots.
Yeah!
Full of idiots.
How come call me now? Where you call me here,
Full of
Shafka?
idiots.
You guys come by. Where you call me here?
some people.
Good.
You see,
Eh?
I kind of different.
On a bad man now. You're full of idiots, Junker.
Yeah!
You're full of idiots, Junker.
After two.
And good.
Yeah!
Miss it.
I lie.
But you're full of idiots, Junker. And good. Now you can't tell me. I want general maybe a son of sacred.
And I said, they say you know which one, and one you are taking.
Mr. Booba.
Yeah, take one, man, and the man grown it. One of them.
Yeah.
Every day we come here for one, and we can't take one. I want to come here for one money and we can't take one. Down the way. I don't have to do come kill me. Down the way.
That's all they can.
Please. No, I don't have to do come kill me. I immediately have to do it.
Alright, now people, let me point out something first thing about this video. A part of the video shows a person just a show teeth. Should I say teeth or teeth? Just a, you see me I say, look, you have to point out that. You see me I say my people. A situation that kind of hostile still, but let's point out that. In my point of view, one person who can hear talking loud in the video somewhat disrespected a certain amount of persons who can see in the video. But I like to know what you think about gambling. You know, I like to tell me what you think about gambling. You see me I say? So I'm going to say this because I say these words in other videos before. Avoid certain type of confrontation. Avoid certain confrontation, especially a hostile one. Yeah, if somebody come to you with certain type of argument, just ignore and just, you know what I mean? Yeah, as for me, still me, yeah, I not find myself in a certain situation. I can't bother. I not say certain things can't happen, but I do my best to make sure I don't find myself in a certain situation. But I'm not real though. That person is so upset. Really upset. Let me know what you think about that video. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.